Alright, we are back with another trading recap video. Well, not really trading recap. Honestly, this video is how I could have made about 3 bands today off 2 contracts alone. But we're gonna get into the setup and how we took it. I mean, how we should have taken it. How we should have been here for the market today. I'm not gonna lie, I overslept. Did a lot of working out last night, and then I just overslept the market. Like I woke up around like what, 9, like 9:34. Then got ready for work. But pre-market analysis. Pre-market, we did this last night before I went to bed, which was really we're looking at, where is it at? Right about here. So honestly, we had none of this here. So actually, I was looking for multiple things yesterday. I know we broke structure to the upside right here. Created this huge 4-hour imbalance. Also, we created this 1-hour imbalance right here. So I want to see both imbalances get traded back into and give us a reaction, because as you can see, we have no highs or buy side liquidity above us besides this high right here. And I mentioned that out right here. And I want to see that high. If we was going to continue lower, I want to see that high get ran first, then get like continuation to the downside. But we ended up actually trading to a 1-hour imbalance right here, respecting it, and then traded back into this 4-hour and 1-hour imbalance right there. Drop down to the 5-minute right there. We see some buy orders coming in right here, just off this candle alone. Jump down to the 1-minute. The 1-minute. Now we wait for a break structure to the upside, and then a fair value gap, which was right here, break structure right here, off this candle alone, and then a imbalance was filled just barely off these 2 candles alone. And if we didn't get it off on that one, we could have waited for just a close proximity, which would have been this imbalance right here. Stops would have been below this low, and then we would have targeted this high right here, these highs right here, and then final TP was going to be right around here to this high right here. And as you can see, bam, right there. Basically, it was going to be around this high right here. Well, final TP to engulf that entire 4-hour imbalance, to almost close it, to almost close it, and which we did on the 5-minute. And then you get to see the trade if you want on the replay. How that crappy bullshit, I'm not paying for that. Okay, right here we got about 2 contracts. Got the break structure, trade back into the imbalance. Now all we have to do is stops below this low, which now look, we're risking only about 1% on the account, and then also TP would have been all the way up here, which would have gave us about $4,200 on the day, which I don't need that much. I only need about 1.5 or 1.6, I think 1.7 actually, 1.7 to pass the account, and then just the 5 days of just getting $200 and continuation and all that bull crap. But the trade would have went good. And then also, if you want to scale in, also in the scaling on 1 contract off this imbalance, you would have got to right there. Then what I would have done, I would have put my stops right there below that low after we broke structure again to the upside right there, and then just watch the trade run. And then every single time it makes a new low, I would just follow my low, my stop loss right there, and then it made that new low right here. Now my stop loss is right there, following my stop loss, and then boom, TP would hit for $8,000. But we did not trade today. This is all just a mock trade of everything could have happened if I was trading, if I didn't fall asleep, which honestly my analysis and everything like that was pretty much on point, if not on par. pretty much on par, on point, honestly, because we got the 4 hour imbalance right there. We have just jump down to the 5 minute right here. We got a 5 minute orders coming in after coming into that 1 hour imbalance right here, and then the 4 hour right there. And now we're just waiting for a break structure and a 1 minute retracement, which we got right there. Stops below the low. And boom, TP would have hit, TP would have been smashed, and we would have been bang green for the day. But I could just do some. But honestly, price actually looks really good. It looked really good for today. I'm not gonna lie. Like if we're just looking, that's the open right there. Shorts all the way down to the 1 hour. Clearly we're on the filling those imbalances, and after that, just bang, bang, bang. But I think that'll be it for this one, honestly.